Now here is how you can update your home address in Google Maps on the iPhone. So let me show you exactly how you can do this. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we get inside of the Google Maps. As you can see, this is just a random city I just zoomed in on. But the point is that you have to click on your profile picture in the top right portion of the display. So for me, it's right here, the F. And in there, I can browse some information about myself and so on, but I just need to navigate over into these settings, right? So these are the settings specifically for the Google Maps right in here, and plenty of different things again, but I want you to go to the location and privacy. And when you scroll through these, you'll be able to find somewhere closer toward the bottom, you will be able to see the home and work addresses, right? So it is part of this other account settings, so you can tap on it to expand it and see the home and work address. So when I click on home, I can choose the location, so I can type it in here. I can choose it on map, meaning that I can just manually select it somewhere around the map, or as I say, you can literally just type in the street, city, and country and everything and add that particular address as your home address. And that is actually very useful because a lot of times you want to start a navigation very quickly and you can choose it from the home address, or you might be in a different place and you just click on home and it can navigate you there very quickly. So that's why a lot of people use it. And also people added their work address, which is basically the same process, the same blueprint. You just added the address of your office or workplace. So that's how it works. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know if I did a somewhat of a good job by hitting the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.